Some mornings you don't need a reason to go, you just need the right boat. This is the new Manhattan 68, straight from Sunseeker. Built in Poole, England. Sunseeker just redesigned this one top to bottom for 2025, new profile, new deck, new everything, and it shows the moment you step aboard. There's real power under this deck, enough to get you past the inlet and into open water before most people finish their coffee. Smooth at speed, settled at a cruise, built for the whole day out, wherever that day takes you. Foredeck loaded with toys and ready to launch. Swim platform right at the waterline. Drop the paddleboard, drop the jet ski. You are in the water in minutes, no ceremony about it. The aft cockpit is its own hideaway now, screened off for quiet drinks at anchor. The Flybridge opens wide for sun and stars, room enough for the whole crew to spread out. New upholstery throughout means the outdoor spaces feel as finished as anything below. And the whole cockpit flows straight out to the water, so nothing stands between you and the next swim. Down below is warm and quiet, a real place to reset between runs, laid out however your crew actually lives aboard. 4 cabins if you need the room, and every one of them feels like it was designed by someone who has actually spent a summer on the water. But this isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. If mornings on the water sound like your kind of life, reach out. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.